नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका। 15th डे है आज हमारा 21 में से। और जैसा मैंने आपको लास्ट क्लास में बताया कि हम कोशिश करेंगे कि लास्ट के जो 7 दिन हैं इन्हें और ज्यादा हार्ड बनाने की कोशिश करेंगे। तो मैं ये कोशिश करूंगा कि 6 दिन, 7वां दिन मैं आपके लिए कुछ अलग लेके आऊंगा, पूरा बॉडी का वर्कआउट करेंगे। लेकिन अभी हम 6 दिन हम कोशिश करेंगे कि हम पर्टिकुलर बॉडी पार्ट्स के ऊपर वर्कआउट करेंगे। जैसे कि आज मैं आपको एब्डोमिनल मसल्स के लिए ज्यादा वर्कआउट कराऊंगा और थोड़ा सा आपको शोल्डर्स भी इसमें यूज करने होंगे। ओके, और कल देखते हैं कल मैं क्या लेके आता हूं। बने रहिए मेरे साथ और वर्कआउट अपना कंटिन्यू रखिए, एफर्ट्स अच्छे लगाइए। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। स्टार्ट जॉगिंग, वार्म अप। जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया जरूरी है थोड़ा वार्म अप जरूर करिए कोई भी एक्सरसाइज करने से पहले, चाहे वो आपका योगा हो या जिम हो या कोई भी एक्सरसाइज आप करने जा रहे हो, उससे पहले वर्कआउट उससे पहले हमेशा थोड़ा वार्म अप जरूरी है। तो ये था आपका छोटा सा वार्म अप। नाउ कम ऑन द टॉप ऑफ योर मैट, stand straight, join your palms in front of your chest, both elbows in one line, press your palms to each other, deep inhale, deep exhale, deep inhale, deep exhale. Now deep inhale, both hands up, palms facing apart. Exhale, palms both sides. If you can, catch your ankle, pull your forehead to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right leg back. Drop your right knee down. Inhale, both hands up, join your palms, arch back. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Straight forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Palms in front of your chest. Lock your elbow. Twist your spine. Look up 1. Look up 2. 3. Keep your arms in center of your chest. Twist your spine more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Palms down. Drop your knee back. Drop your chest between your palms. Tuck your elbows in. Toes out. Inhale in cobra. Go back in child. Inhale in cobra. Exhale in child. Inhale in cobra. Exhale in child. Inhale in cobra. Exhale in child. Now this time inhale and hold your breath in cobra maxima.
Go back in mountain. Press your heels one by one down. Press your shoulders. Walk a bit back with your toes. Press your heels. Press your shoulders with your heels. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number 4, body in straight line. Drop your right knee down, left heel in, left hand up, look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch your arm. 1, 2. Keep your chin close to your shoulder. 3, 4, 5. Palm down. Drop your left foot between your palms. Both knee 90 degree. Left knee 90, right knee 90 degree. Both hands up. Stretch your arms, lift your shoulders, look up. Exhale with your right hand, catch your heel back and stretch your left arm back. Drop your head, look back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Palms down. Go back in mountain. Keep your left heel on your mat down. Right leg up. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Drop your foot between your palms. Heel down. Both hands up. Interlock your fingers. Arch back. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. There only. Arms in one line. Look forward. Support your thigh. Stretch your right arm. Look up. 1, 2. Hip more down. 3, 2, 1. Palm down. Inside. Stretch your left arm towards your head. Look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There only. Both hands up. Interlock your fingers. Palms facing up. Turn your toe in. Right toe in. Bend right side. Look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come in center. Bend left. Look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There only. Right toe out. Place your palms down. Bend your toe in. With your left hand catch your toe. Touch your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop your toe down. Left leg also forward. Catch your both ankles. Inhale, chin up, look forward. Exhale. Pull your head to it. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, both hands up, palms together, arch back. Palms in front of your chest, deep inhale, deep exhale. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Now inhale, both hands up, palms facing up, arch back. Exhale, palms down, knees straight, nose to your knee. You can catch your ankles, pull your chest, pull your head. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left leg back, drop your knee down, hip maximum down, palms together, both arms up, arch back. 1, look up, 2, stretch your neck. 3, 2, 1. Stretch forward. 1, 2, look down. 3, 2, 1. Arms in front of your chest. Now with your opposite elbow, lock your knee. left elbow. Try to keep your armpit close to your knee. Twist your spine, look up. 1, 2. Keep your palms inside of your chest. 3, 2, 1. Palms down. Drop your knee back. Keep your palms 1 foot apart. Keep your knee wider. Drop your chest between your palms. Keep your elbows in. Toes out. Inhale. In cobra. Stretch your neck. Look up. Exhale. Go back inside. Inhale. Exhale. 2. Inhale. Exhale. 3. Inhale. Exhale. 4. Now 5. Inhale and hold your breath maximum. Go back in mountain. Press your heels one by one down. Press your shoulders. Walk a bit back with your toes. Press your heels, press your shoulders down. Keep your chin to your chest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Number 4 up your knee. Left knee. Right heel. Right hand up to look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch your arm. 1. Look up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Palm down. Right foot between your palms. Keep your both knee 90 degree. Inhale, both hands up. Lift your shoulders. Stretch your arms maximum higher. Spread your fingers. Look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With your left hand, support your left heel. Stretch your right arm back. Look back. 1, 2. Stretch your neck. 3, 4. Push your head forward. 5. Palm down. Leg back. Go back in mountain. Keep your right heel on your mat. Left leg up. 1. Press your shoulders more. Tuck your chin. 2. Keep your right heel on your mat. 3. Knees straight. 4. 5. Drop your left foot between your palms. Inhale. Both hands up. Withdraw your fingers. Arms facing up. Heel down. Arch back. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Arms in one line. Support your thigh. Stretch your left arm. Look up. 1, 2. Go more down. 3, 4, 5. Left arm inside. Your left foot. Right arm towards your head. Stretch your arm maximum. Pull your shoulder back, open your chest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knee straight. Inhale, both hands up. Interlock your fingers. Turn your left toe in. Bend left side. Look up. 1, 2, 3, 4. More down. 5. Come in center. Bend right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn your left toe out. Palms down. Bend your toe in with your right hand. Catch your toe. Touch your nose to your knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both palms down, both sides, leg back. Number 4, body in straight line. Knee, chest and chin down. Tuck your elbows in, keep your hip up. Both knee off the mat. Inhale in cobra. Roll your shoulders back, open your chest, stretch your neck. Exhale in mountain. Inhale in cobra. Exhale in mountain. Inhale in cobra. Exhale in mountain. Inhale in cobra. Exhale in mountain. Inhale in cobra and hold your breath. Drop your knee, both hands up, lift your shoulders and stretch your arms, maximum height. Exhale, your both hands catch your both heels. Now inhale, push your hip forward. Use stomach to breathe in, breathe out. Push your hip more forward. 3, 2, 1. Interlock your fingers on your elbows, hip up. Come on your elbows. Left leg up to out, knee straight. Look up. Now exhale, knee to your nose and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knee outside of your shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop your knee between your elbows. Inhale, both hands, both sides. Support with your fingers. Stretch your neck, open your chest. Look up. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. On your elbows, drop your knee back. There only. Right leg up. Chin up, look up. 1, knee straight, go out. 2, 3, 2, 1. Now knee to your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knee outside of your shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop your knee between your elbows. Inhale, open your arms. Support with your fingertips. Stretch your neck maximum. Open your chest maximum. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On your elbows, drop your knee back. Both knee off the mat. Right palm down. Drop your heels right side. Place your left palm on your hip. Pulse your hip up and down. 1, 2. Look up. 3, 4, 5. Change other side. Place your right palm on your hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On your elbows, keep your feet 1 foot apart. Drop your hips side to side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Drop your knee down. Both legs forward. Sit on your hip. There only. Right leg up. Toe in. Finger tip on your toe. 1. Knee straight. 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. Left up. 1, 2, 3. Don't catch. Just keep your fingertip on your big toe. 3, 2, 1. Down. Now bend your both knee. Palms on your knee. Back is straight. Keep your chin up. Look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right leg straight up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. Hug your both knees. Now keep your palms there only. Both elbows is straight, both legs out. 1, 2, toes out. 3, 4, 5. Bend your both knee, but keep your feet off the mat. Palms both sides. Spread your fingers. 1, 2, stay there. 3, 4, 5. Hug your both knee again. If you can, keep your chin over your knee. Otherwise, just touch your forehead. Come on your elbows. Both legs is straight. Right leg up. Pulse your right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. Left up. 1. Pulse. 2. Keep your toes out. 3, 4, 5. Down. Now both legs up. Together. 1, 2. Keep your toes out. Feet together. 3, 4, 5. Keep your legs up one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bend your toes in, then down, catch your toes. Pull your head. 1, knee straight. Pull your head down. 2, 3, 2, 1. Both come on your elbows. Now bend your both knee. Now knee to your nose and forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now make circle with your toes. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Legs forward. Bend your toes in. knees straight, elbows out, pull your chest. 1, 2, pull it maximum, pull your head. 3, 4, 5. Inhale, both hands up. Exhale, toes out. Try to touch your forehead between your palms, left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep your left elbow there only. Keep your side of your head. Okay? Now, right palm here, or you can keep it back. You can keep it back. Right leg up. Pulse your right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure your right side of your hip off the mat. Only left side should be on the mat. Okay? Now 5. Now there only try to touch your toe. 1, 2, keep your toe out. 3, 4, 5. Right leg, right foot outside with your opposite hand. Lock your knee, right palm behind your back. On your mat. Twist your spine. You can push your knee or you can catch your ankle. Twist your spine, look back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, both hands up. Exhale, place your both palms left side behind your back, touch your forehead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep your right elbow on your mat. Keep your right side of your hip on your mat, left off the mat. Okay? Now, left palm behind your back. You can keep your fingertips, you can keep your palm down. Left leg up, pulse your left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try to touch your toe. 1, 2, 3, 4. The left foot outside of your knee with your right elbow lock your knee close to your armpit. Keep your knee close to your armpit. Left palm back, twist your spine, look back. 1, 2, right toe out. 3, if you cannot catch, just push your knee out. 4, 3, 2, 1. Then only open your legs, toes out. Inhale, interlock your thumbs, look up. Make circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, bend your toes in, catch your toes, pull your head down. Try to touch your forehead on your mat down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Interlock your thumbs again up. Make circle left to right. 1. Look up. 2. Look up. 3. Look up. 4. And 5. Now bend your both knees, feet together. Inhale. Exhale. Try to touch your forehead to your toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Exhale. Touch your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. try to touch your chin now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now catch your toes with your both hands separate. Stretch your legs out, balance on your hip. 1, hold there, 2, knees straight, 3, 4, 5. Keep your legs out, toes out, palms in center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Legs together, forward, arms both sides. Open your arms. 1, legs up, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bend your knee, palms both sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go right side. Keep your palms together, keep your feet together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now left. 1, 2. Keep your elbow close to your knee. 3, 4, 5. Catch your both knee. Go ahead, nose. If you can, chin. तो ये था आज का वर्कआउट। उम्मीद है आपको पसंद आएगा। आप सभी अच्छे एब्स चाहते हैं, आप चाहते हैं कि सबके 4 पैक्स 6 पैक्स हों, तो वर्कआउट करिए, अपनी तरफ से एफर्ट्स लगाइए, ज़रूर होंगे, बहुत जल्द होंगे, कोशिश करते रहिए। एक खास बात, जिस दिन आप अपना एब्स वर्कआउट कर रहे हैं उस दिन आप कोशिश करिए कि जब आपका एक्सरसाइज खत्म होता है, जब आपका वर्कआउट खत्म होता है, जब आप फिनिश करते हैं, उसके बाद आप कपालभाति और अगर आप नौली क्रिया कर सकते हैं, नौली क्रिया करिए, कपालभाति करिए, अग्निसार कर सकते हैं और भी अच्छा है। आपको कपालभाति तो खैर सभी जानते हैं, आप YouTube पे भी सर्च कर सकते हैं कपालभाति, मैं भी डालूंगा वीडियो, तो आप उसमें भी चेक कर सकते हैं। तो कपालभाति करिए 5 मिनट, कम से कम 10 मिनट 15 मिनट अगर डे जाते हैं तो और अच्छा है। कपालभाति 5 से 10 मिनट, अग्निसार 5 से 10 मिनट अगर आप कर सकते हैं, और भस्त्रिका अगर कर सकते हैं तो और भी अच्छा है, भस्त्रिका 5 से 10 मिनट। अगर 5 मिनट भी अगर आप भस्त्रिका करते हैं स्टार्टिंग में तो बहुत है, उसे आप धीरे धीरे बढ़ा सकते हैं टाइम को। अगर आप 5-5 मिनट तीनों करते हैं, 5 मिनट भस्त्रिका, 5 मिनट कपालभाति, उसके बाद 5 मिनट अग्निसार, तो बहुत अच्छा है। लेकिन भस्त्रिका से स्टार्ट करिएगा, सेकंड नंबर पे कपालभाति रखिएगा, थर्ड नंबर पे अग्निसार। ओके, भस्त्रिका सबसे लास्ट में नहीं रखिएगा, भस्त्रिका सबसे पहले, उसके बाद कपालभाति, देन अग्निसार, उसके बाद चाहे तो अनुलोम कर सकते हैं, आपकी मर्जी है। और बाकी खाना जो भी खाना है दोपहर में जो मन करे वो खाइए, मॉर्निंग फ्रूट्स, इवनिंग सब्जियां ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा, कोशिश करें कि अन्न ना लें। चलिए, कल तक के लिए विदा लेता हूं मैं, और कल सुबह फिर मिलेंगे, तब तक के लिए नमस्ते, अपना ध्यान रखिए, जय हिंद।